Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the where what we have discussed about commodity. You can see here guys exactly what we have discussed. This has been broken, then you can take up till here or up till here. You can see that up till here we have all target has been achieved. After that here only it became a volatile market. Okay guys, I will just remove this and you can see here guys what happened is that I will just remove the brushes so we can get the clear picture. So you can see here guys what happened. Continuously consolidation happened exactly here only taken support. You can see here guys. Okay guys, it has been consolidate and exactly taken here support and boom, one-sided momentum. Okay guys, hope you have traded this one at least guys. We have got very nice profit up till here only. After that you have seen a price action, or here also you have taken your buying position, kept your SL and your two target easily achieved. After that it came downside, and also here you can see that strong supporting zone it's acting. After that only if you have taken here, then also you have got very big move. Hope you have traded this guys and got very nice momentum in this. Okay guys, we can see the natural gas. I have also posted this thing in the telegram channel also guys. You can check out there also. You can see here I have told you exactly here only the market is making the one of the supporting area. After this breakdown you can go up till here. Why I have told you exactly up till here? You can see here it goes up till 9.6 638. Okay guys, but what we have achieved up till here, why I am telling you, because within 2 to 3 candle it came downside. You can see it here also bull has been came, but how nicely bear has been came and taken it downside. That's why only I have told you in safer zone you have take to up till here only. You have got very nice targets. Hope you have traded and got these all target has been you have achieved and made a very good amount of money. Okay guys, also I have also told you exactly. You can see here guys, I've told you also this will act as resistance. Here only it is acting as resistance. You have to take your position. Your SL will be here. I've told you exactly. You can see that first target achieved, consolidation happened. You can see here consolidation broken. Once again it came to retest, broken and taken it downside. Hope you have traded this too guys. Hope you like this video also guys. If you have any queries please comment me down. You can see that how accurate our analysis is that. Okay guys, we can see for whether next week how the our commodity works and how you can gonna trade in these. Okay guys, right now it is at a good place, but you have to see this guys. At this place only market is sustaining. If market will sustain, just a second. Okay, market will sustain here. Okay, is continuously consolidate. Our first target will be here, second immediate target, this will be the third immediate target. Okay guys, in upside momentum, if this is the broken then taken resistance, our first target, our second target, our third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target, and next will be the your fourth target will be very big. Okay guys, these are the downside momentum for crude oil guys. We can see for natural gas you can see that in natural gas also very huge momentum has been came. We have also traded here and got very nice money. Also in forex also we have traded and made a huge and good amount of money guys. Hope you like this video guys. Okay guys, now right now we can see the natural gas. You can see here guys exactly here only the sellers are coming along. Okay guys, I will just remove this brush so we can get the clear picture. Just a second. Okay, right now it has been removed. So what we have to do is right now is that here only you can see here this is the one of the resistance area we can face, because of here higher dominance of the seller we have found. Okay guys, so right now we can see here guys this is the one of the major supporting areas it will act on. Okay guys, so right now it will consolidate like this only. If it will came downside, and if you are pretty much sure that it will goes upside, your first target, this will be the second target, and your SL will be the somewhere here at this green candle low. Okay guys, after that in downside also we can see here guys, in downside also if it will take resistance then you can go for your first target guys. Okay guys, first target you have reached, this will be the second, this will be the third, and this will be the final fourth target, guys. Okay, guys. Also, I will join my Telegram channel also, guys. I will update there some of the ideas also, and I have updated some of the forex pairs, guys. Boom, within 4 to 5 hours only we have reached our all the target, and we have made a jackpot only. Go and check out my Telegram channel. You can get there. I will not do analysis about that here, or I will not make any separate video of that. Okay, guys, if you wanted to learn, go and check out there. You can get the answers. Okay, guys, right now I will just shift this, just a second. So we will just shift this down. Okay, right now it's acting as a resistance, guys. If once again goes upside momentum, our first target will be up till here only, and our second target. Okay, guys, our third target up till here you can reach out. Okay, guys, if it will came upside once again and taking support, then you can see that our first target, and here only it become a volatile also. After this is broken, then it will start journey. Then our first target will be here, second target up till here you can consider. Okay, guys, hope you like this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment me down. Hope you know the all things what I'm telling you, the concepts. If you do not getting any concept, please comment me down. Also check out the price action video, all the support and resistance area, how market behave, what are the patterns I have told you in those videos only. You can check out there also. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.